Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have a standout in the world of ink cartridges, the Brother LC406 3PK, the best LC406 ink cartridges for Brother printers. If you're tired of running low on ink in the middle of a print job, or frustrated by inconsistent print quality, this product promises to make your printing experience smooth and reliable. The Brother LC406 3PK is a 3-pack ink cartridge set that includes cyan, magenta, and yellow ink. Each cartridge provides a standard yield, printing up to 1,500 pages per cartridge. Whether you're working from home or in a small office, this pack is designed to deliver high-quality, sharp prints consistently. Whether you're printing documents, images, or presentations, these cartridges will ensure your prints look crisp and vibrant every time. The Brother LC406 series is designed to work seamlessly with a range of Brother printers, including the MFC J4335DW, MFC J6555DW, MFC J4535DW, and MFC J5855DW models. You can rely on the Brother Genuine Ink System, which undergoes extensive testing to ensure quality and performance. The best part is that it's not just about the quality, but the quantity. Each cartridge is built to last, delivering up to 1,500 pages per cartridge, reducing the need for constant replacements. One of the standout features of these cartridges is their fade resistance. Whether you're printing photos or important documents, you can trust that your prints will stay vibrant and clear for a long time. You won't have to worry about colors fading or prints looking dull after a few weeks. Another thing to mention is the convenience of the LC406 ink cartridges. They are designed for easy installation in compatible Brother printers, so you won't waste time trying to figure out complicated setups. Just pop them into your printer, and you're good to go. No fuss, no mess. Now, let's talk about value. At around $69.49 for the 3-pack, this Brother LC406 ink cartridge set offers an affordable solution to your printing needs. Considering that each cartridge provides up to 1,500 pages, that's an excellent price for high-quality prints over a long period. It's perfect for both home offices and small businesses that need to print frequently without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, if you're looking for reliable, high-quality, and long-lasting ink cartridges for your Brother printer, the Brother LC406 3PK is your best bet. With its consistent performance, ease of use, and affordable pricing, it truly stands out as the best LC406 ink cartridges for Brother printers. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on the best products out there, and leave a comment below if you've used these cartridges or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.